Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transform this design into a full interactive website. This is a landing page for an AI beauty application. I took inspiration from a few existing products, combined some different ideas, and I created my own version. In this tutorial, we're going to build two different animations. The first one is a hover reveal effect. When the user hovers over the image, we will build a before and after transformation by following the cursor. And in that way, we're going to create a really small interactive comparison. I generated these images using Higgsfield. Basically, I combined two different characters, create my first character, and also I tried to modify based on this first AI character. So that's it. So the process is pretty straightforward. So basically, I already connected my Figma MCP, and I created a folder with my website-based repo. This repo is basically the one we created when we are migrating Figma and also when we are designing with AI. This contained agents pre-trained in real projects, and we offer this repo here on our templates community with more than 600 designers building with AI. But yeah, you can also do it with other repo, but I prefer to do it with with this repo because it helped me to reduce burning credits and also stop winging it. So basically, I pointed here to Claude, and I already connected the NCP, and I'm going to select the component, and I'm going to paste this prompt, and I'm going to ask Claude to implement this design. Let's create this design. Also, as this, say we have these components here and also this image. I want to align this to a center even if the screen size is big. So I'm going to tell that. I'm going to click here on bypass permission. Please, could you also align all of these components centered even if the size of my screen is bigger? I want these components to be centered without expanding to the sides. Take as a base the dimensions I have on the current design, please. Okay, so, and here we just need to wait some minutes. We have the AI migration, we have the Figma migration ready. We have a few mistakes, but we can fix it super easy. So basically, I'm going to send a screenshot and say Cloud basically this. Don't drop the background, make it visible for any size and resolution. And also, please, I need the vertical size be 100% width, and because right now it's slightly off. Okay, we fixed the errors. So now we need to create this hero section into an interactive website. Please use the before and after images from my project folder, created these assets, and also I use the same dimension 1000 pixels for each one. And also basically here I am explaining that I want to create a reveal effect. When the user moves their cursor over the image, we're going to reveal the other image underneath through a circular mask that follow the cursor. So, okay, Cloud already finished. I had some issues here with the layers. So as a recommendation, always make sure that all your images always have the exact same position and also the exact same size. It's super important. I had some issues from that, but with Cloud I could fix it, and basically this is the results that I really love it. And also here we have the before and after effect. As you can see, we have that before and after. So how awesome is that, right? I really like it. And yeah, that's it. Now let's go to the second animation, that is the scroll animation, when we are going to use this animation that I created. I created this video with Kling, and this is the prompt. After to create the video, I moved the video to CapCut, and I use chroma key remove background to remove basically the background, and I export it here with this codec, Upper ProRes 4444. It's super important to get the alpha. So what alpha means is basically that we have this transparency on the video, and after that we are going to use that video to create the scroll animation. in these next steps. Okay, so I created another project from scratch to build this animation, but basically if you're testing it, basically you just can tell Claude that instead of image, delete animation, and we're going to create another animation. We are using this video transparency to create animation, build and scroll control here animation using the provide video, keep the video paused by default, and map the user scroll progress to the video's playback position. When the user scroll down, the video should move forward, and when they scroll upward, it should reverse smoothly, and pin the hero section while animation plays, then release it when the video reaches the final frame. Basically, that's it, and we just need to wait. This is important to you to be aware. As this video is not compatible with web, I create a plan with Claude where we are going to use this tool, FFmpeg, that basically we're going to convert, to turn this video into image sequence. We're going to create 120 images that will be transparent. So in that way, we can create a smooth interaction when we are scrolling. So that's it. Just to be aware, probably you will need to do that if you are testing this out. So you can also create an image sequence with any free tool on the internet, but Claude is also have this tool to do that. So we just need to wait. Now we finally got the result. Look at this animation. Super cool, right? We just need to fix that, and yeah, I'm going to show you the final result in a minute. And yeah, that's it. A process to fix issues, basically just giving Claude what is the issue with the right reference, in this case, a screenshot, and this is the results. Pretty amazing. Check this. That's incredible, right? So I hope you enjoyed my process and the workflow. I know this animation can look better if we increase the quality of the video. Here the video to 4K, export and make the same process on CapCut and create an image sequence with Claude, and we would have a better output here. But in general, just to be a testing, I think this looks, check this out. It looks incredible. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, please let me know.